Hello guys, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new cryptocurrency mining website. You can mine any cryptocurrency on this website by default. Without investment, you can take withdraw on this website very easily. Now I am going to tell you how you can deposit on this website, how can you start your mining on this website, and how you can take your withdraw and how you can deposit on this website very easily. And I got a new tip for you to how to increase your gigahash power freely. Now I am going to scroll down and check here. If you withdraw funds at any time, you can take withdrawal funds under 24 hours. And your bonus gigahash power when you log in on this website, you can get 300 gigahash power on this website easily, and you can take 3 to 5% per day offer profit on this website very easily. And you can see here is referral program. You can take 10% with direct referral, and indirect referral you can take 5%. Now I am going to show you how you can sign up on this website, and then I will take you into the website and tell you everything deeply. Now go to sign up button and click on it. Here you have to put your username and email. You have to put double password and fill up this captcha and go to sign up button. Now I have already, since I have already account, now I am going to log in on this website freely, and I am going to fill captcha and log in on this website. Here we got three options: SHA, 256 script, and Ethash. You can mine freely SHA if 256 without deposit any money. You can mine Bitcoin, Bitcash, CoinCash, Tron, Dashcoin without doing anything. And you just have to scroll down this point into maximum 400%, so your mining will start automatically without deposit on this website. If you want to start mining in script, you have to deposit on this website to mine Litecoin, Stellar, Dogecoin, Zcash. You need to deposit if you want to start your mining in script. And if you want to start mining in Ethash, I mean you want to mining Ethereum or Ripple, you have to deposit on this website. In case of deposit on this website, if you want to deposit mining power, you have to go on this link and click or right click on it. Here you can watch. Here you have to select your wallet address in which from which you want to deposit on this website. Here you have to put your gigahash power, how much gigahash power you want to buy on this website, and here you have to order it and purchase. Now you can choose, you can purchase on it gigahash power very easily. Now I am going to show you FAQ button in which you can see that how much mining you have to take your withdraw on this website and how much you need to invest on this website to take your withdraw. What is the minimum amount to withdraw profit? Withdraw profit is available only dash if you take with if you mine on this website under TRX and 0.01 Bitcoin hash rate power. You can see every minimum withdrawal. You can see here. If you want to how to withdraw on to my wallet. If you have any question, you can check here. Any query, if you have any query or question, you can check here and you can got your answer very easily. Now I am going to show you very best tip. You can mine, increase your mining speed without any deposit on this website. So go to rep partner links, and here you got your affiliate link. If you want to increase your gigahash power freely, you have to spread this link refer link as much as you can. If people join this website by using this link, you can get a lot of gigabyte power through your link. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button and give me your valuable comments in comment section. Subscribe my channel if you want more video in future.